Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 21st, 2022. Somebody is buying Meta stock. Who in the world could be buying this stock up? Guess what? It don't matter, because if the overall market is buying, then guess what we should be doing? We should be buying as well. You guys can see I got a price prediction already on the chart in Meta. I did the video right here on October the 30th, looking for price to go down. It came right down to where I said support could come into the market. So hopefully you all was able to grab some profit off of the market in Meta right here on November the 3rd, even on the 4th, 10.75%, because that is where the buyers came in. And since then, the price has gone higher. Can we continue to see the market go up? Because somebody bought the market in Meta because price has gone higher. Look at that. Ever since it came down here to the bottom of $88, price in Meta has gone higher. Are we still looking for that to happen? Are we still in a buy mode in the market in Meta? What do you think? What do you think? Let's look at this first of all on the weekly chart. And let's zoom in on this chart real quick. I do like the last weekly price action for us to anticipate some upward movement to occur in Meta. It looks good. Now, here we are on this last, well, the 2 weeks. So on this last weekly price bar, that is indicative of people trying to take some profit. Like if you bought the market down here around $88 and you sold it when it ran to 120, that is a profit of 35%. Why would you want to hold it any longer than that, right? That is a very handsome profit right there. There's no need for you to hold it for 2 years when you already ran 35% in 2 weeks. So now let's look at this on a different time frame. Now you guys can see it here. Okay, this 2 weekly price bar, massive amount of volume, massive spread to the downside, but we came in, held support. Now this simply means that the market could be taking a pause before it continues to go down long term in Meta. So this is not like, hey everyone, we hit the bottom into the market in Meta. No, that doesn't mean that. This simply means that we could be taking a break. Okay, so let's look at this on the 3 weeks thing. And I think that's what the market is really trying to tell us, is that it came and hit a break. Now, could we run up to $123 and hit resistance? Yes, we can. Look at this on the 5-day chart. I like what happened over the last 5 days as well, but I am not going to be massively bullish in Meta. No, can't do that. Look at this on the 3-day chart. 2 days. Okay, now I think a lot of people are going to be paying attention to this area right here in Meta, which is around like $124 or so. That could be a problem. Okay, that could be the snag that could push back down the price in Meta. Let me go ahead and zoom out and let's see if it makes a connection point somewhere. And it does, back in 2018. Okay, so that will have to be the resistance area that we will be anticipating the market in Meta to get hit with. Okay, no higher than that. Okay, right there. So let me look at this on a minute basis. Look at this on the hourly chart. Because I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in Meta begin to go down initially because of this. The trend into the market in Meta is broken. So I'm not looking for price to go up right now. I'll definitely look for the market to trend a little bit lower, possibly come down here to like 105 to grab some support, even 102.50 to see the market in Meta come through and grab some support. So right now, can I look for price? Am I massively looking for a price to go up right now? No, I'm not. From out the gate, let's not be surprised to see the market go down, because the hourly chart is definitely showing us that the market is definitely breaking trend. Okay, it's a very good run up, but now we need to see the market in Meta take a break, or at least allow the buyers to come in again to support price. That is something that we need to see. Okay, and I think you guys can actually see where the buyers are trying to step in Meta. trying to step in right there. But for me, I can see it come all the way down to like 102.50 though. Okay. But given that I don't cover Meta on an hourly basis, given that I don't produce content on an hourly basis for Meta, I am going to play the strength though in the market. Now let's see what we get, because if it's not worth putting it on a price prediction, we won't do it. So that's around 10%. 10%. And we said at 102.50 market needs to hold support. Okay. And that's 9% move to the downside. Now, if we break 102 to the downside in Meta like that, the market's not going to go up. Already be prepared for that. It is not going to go up. But if we see the market in Meta do this, hold, then it's just going to take a little while longer for the market to hit that $123 price level. Okay, so that's my thinking. Those are the probabilities that I think the market in Meta is going to move as we approach the ending of 2023. Now I want to know your thoughts. Hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. This is the play-by-play, the anticipation, the probabilities of where we think price is going to go. Nobody's going to be 100% correct, but we lean more towards what we already have seen historically on the price chart to gauge where price is trying to go in the future. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.